This video will be on DIYretCAM. I was one of the first few investigators in developing the smartphone fundus documentation techniques, and now I would like to present one of my designs for a retinal camera adapter, and it is a do-it-yourself concept. The cost of this DIY device would be, excluding the smartphone and its back cover and the 20 diopter lens, approximately 70 rupees, approximately $1. It is called the do-it-yourself retinal camera or the DIYretCAM. A detailed description of how to make a DIYretCAM has already been published. The DIYretCAM adapts to most phones. It can be used either as a handheld device or a slit lamp mounted device, and it is portable. The device consists of an optical tube onto which the 20D is fixed. The optical tube is then fixed to the reducer on the back cover. The phone is then placed in the back cover and the handheld device is ready to use. This is an animation showing the relationship of the back cover to the reducer. Using simple and cost-effective materials, one can make a slit lamp mount for DIYretCAM. The mount is placed after moving the illumination and observation columns to one side and placed into the slot for the focusing rod. More information on this is available in the article published in Indian Journal of Ophthalmology. I have also made a do-it-yourself dual adapter for slit lamp photography as well as retinal imaging. This video shows how the DIYretCAM can be used as a handheld device. You can hold the 20D like you would in conventional indirect ophthalmoscopy, and with simultaneous scleral depression, it allows us to image the retina up to the pars plana. The slit lamp mount reduces the learning curve in using the device as alignment and focusing becomes easy. You can see that I am using the touch focus to capture the image. This is using simultaneous scleral depression to image the far periphery up to the pars plana. Subclinical RD with atrophic holes. You can see the movement of the depressor. This is the pars plana, and that's the ora serrata seen with scleral depression. The next video will discuss few apps useful for smartphone imaging.